Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off screen curtain with VoiceOver on the iPhone 13 running iOS 15. Now to use the screen curtain, you need to use it with VoiceOver turn on. And what you can do is triple tap on the screen with 3 fingers to turn it on or off. So let's take a look now. So triple tap with 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and you can see the screen curtain is now on. Now it just basically put the screen to goes black for added privacy. However, your phone is still active, voice over is still on, and you can still navigate on your phone. And triple tap again to turn it off. Now once it is on, you can't actually see it. The screen is completely goes to black. You cannot even see it even if you are in the dark. So I have triple tap to go back to turn it off to get my phone screen back on. Now if I go back into settings, you can see here if I have zoom turn on, then you need to tap on the screen 4 times. So you can see now zoom is turned on. So if I go back to my home screen and if I triple tap, it will not work. 1, 2, 3.
Speech on.
You can see it will not work and it says switch on or switch off. So you need to tap on the screen 4 times if you have the zoom feature turned on. So 3 fingers on the screen 4 times to turn on the screen curtain. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Screen curtain on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Screen curtain off.
To turn it off. And that's it. So make sure that if it does not work with a triple tap, then check to see if you have zoom turns on. If zoom is turned on, then you need to tap on the screen 4 times. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.